Good! General salute! Flamme! Chest! Bazook! Chest! Chains up! 3 जन के एससी गार्ड आपके निर्देशन के लिए हजरत हम सब भारतीय हैं हम सब Chains up!
Okay, good, smart guard.
Thanks up.
Yeah, we're the smartest girl, huh?
We are organizing a picnic base of Upper Kalika. They did rock climbing exercise here yesterday.
इकरा तुम ले रही हो? एक को दे देना फिर बाद में.
ओके सर मैम
She is 2.5 grouping.
2.5.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Good, beta. Shabash. Right up. क्या था इसका ग्रुपिंग?
This is 4.
Yeah, impressed with the drill, guys.
Jain sir,
Jain. Outstanding drill.
thank you so much sir.
कहीं पे जहां पे मदद चाहिए, राशन लेके जाना है, घर में किसी की मदद करनी है, तो जगह जगह पे लोगों ने ये पूरी कार्रवाई करी. ये आपका एक जो जुनून है वो एनसीसी सिखाता है.
Okay, firstly, I'm very pleased to be here in Gurez and to see these lovely, young, smart, well attired and disciplined children of NCC. It's a great camp and initiative by NCC directed to have a camp in Gurez Valley, possibly one of the very rare occasions. Children from Jammu, from the Naval NCC batch have also come here to attend this event. And having gone through various spaces of firing, rock climbing, drill, living in a camp environment, I find these children to be highly motivated and dedicated towards the cause of NCC and to be one in the uniform. I was totally impressed, especially when we look at Ikra and look at these smart young boys who have done the quarter guard, the guard of honor discipline. I think they can be counted as any of the smart young military professionals in any army. So I'm very happy to be here. I hope that this initiative continues, and in last about few years, NCC has grown from strength to strength, starting from very few numbers. Today I find that almost everywhere there is a rush to join this group of NCC for getting well trained and to become a disciplined citizen of our country. And I wish all these young children to do well in their life, in their career, imbibe the ethos of National Cadet Corps and become great citizens of our country and do good to our nation. As regards the situation here in Gurez, you're well aware that Gurez is absolutely peaceful, nice, and especially with the whole ceasefire being in vogue, the people of the border villages have got the long required peace. They are able to carry out their routine activity in a good manner and without any fear or constraints. And life has become normal here in this location. I was also very impressed to see that large number of tourists, especially the tourists from Kashmir and from outside, were found to be camping and enjoying the very, very virgin beauty of Gurez. I've been here in Gurez about in 1998 and 99, 2000, possibly one of the most beautiful places on earth and one of the best minded people also in the world. Very, very humble, nice, and they really look after anybody who comes from outside. So from you, the message is that do come and enjoy the beauty of this place, nascent beauty, and you can see Habba Khatun, a legend right behind me, and they must come and see this legendary Habba Khatun feature. which has got a great history and great story related to Kashmir. No, I think tourism is part of the civil Adam, and I think the current dispensation is doing a lot of good work to ensure that in the remote corners also people reach out. Our responsibility as Indian Army is to ensure that good amount of security, peace and stability remains, so that people can roam around into remote areas wherever without any fear of terrorist activities and such like things. So I think that we are achieving, and with the support of the civil society and the citizens of our country and people from Kashmir, we'll be able to ensure that prosperity comes and people can live, men and women, both can live the way they want to live as a part of modern society and modern culture. Yeah, so these are like NCC is one part. When a child comes from various parts of the country, from NCC, from different districts, different part of the valley, different isolated parts of valley like Machhal, Gurez, Tangdhar, Uri, and then when they meet each other, they understand that there are different level of cultures living, and they start thinking in a pluralistic form, and they also start to live amongst different communities. So there is one very important factor. We try and nurture the issue of aspect of discipline, larger construct of people living together, rather than being, that we are unique, we are totally alone and we should be left alone. That kind of a thought should go away. And we are part of a larger society, and therefore we should live like this. That is what we bring to fore, and I think that is what we are trying to do.